Okay, so will you talk loud so we can all hear you clearly? All right, so that was 2-digit numbers. That's pretty easy. Now we're going to try 3-digit numbers, all right? So you say a 3-digit number up to 999, from 100 to 999. I'll say plus, and back and forth we go. We got a 0. Okay, go ahead. 3-digit?
771.
771. Plus?
852.
Plus?
163.
Plus?
741.
One more.
456.
3783.
Oh!
Okay, so still one right. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Now let's try something a little tougher. Let's try. I want you to pick two-digit numbers, all right, and we're going to multiply them together, all right. So two digits, loud and clear. Go ahead. 83 times. That's going to be 7,968. Yeah, all right. Let's try a tougher one. Let's go in the middle so everybody can hear. What's your name?
Ollie.
All right, let's try something tougher. Let's do division. Pick a 3-digit number and divide it by a 1-digit number. All right, use weird, tough numbers so we'll get some decimals. All right, so 3-digit by 1-digit. Go ahead.
398.
398 divided by.
4.
Oh, that's easy. That's like 99.5. Try it. Somebody else? Somebody else? Yep. Pick a tough one. All right, go ahead. Loud and clear.
747.
747 divided by.
8.
By 8, that's 93.375, something like that. Yeah, all right. Okay, one more. Go ahead. Make it tough. Come on. 987 divided by 109.666666. All right, so now I'm warmed up. I want to demonstrate for you. I'd like to demonstrate for you my world record. So what we're going to do is I want to demonstrate for you first. Let's clear the calculator and punch in. People gave me 15 seconds to count by a number, racing a calculator. She's not racing me today. She's just hitting equal. So it's all she has to do is keep up with me. Don't get ahead of me. Don't get ahead of me. Just keep up with me. So clear the calculator. Use the red one right there. Let's clear it all out. Hit OK, and we should be good. All right. So I need a 2-digit number, please. Yep. Tough number to count by. 87. So do 87 plus 87. No. 87 equals. Oh no. Let's clear it. Clear it out. 87 plus 87. And now all you're going to do is hit equals over and over again. All right. So you're going to see my brain gets going faster and faster. All right. So you ready to go? I'm going to start slow. 174. Next one's 261. 348, 435, 522, 609, 696, 783, 870, 957, 1044, 1131, 1218, 1305, 1392, 1479, 1566, 1653, 1740, 1827, 904, 2001, 2088, 2175, 226, 223, 492, 4365, 432, 610, 2697, 2784, 2887, 19, yada, like that one. There you go. So that's what I can do. All right, there you go. Now clear the calculator. And now when I did this on TV, thank you. When I did this on TV, the Guinness World people, they thought I had cheated. How could I cheat and do that?
Yeah. I think you'll take your You could like lock his ear somewhere and they
No, they thought I had memorized all the answers. So as soon as they picked 87, they thought maybe I memorized all the numbers, 30 or 40 numbers, so I could just do it real fast. I said, no, I'm not a memory guy, I'm a calculator. And they said, well, can you prove it to us that you're not memorizing this? And I said, okay, a calculator always starts at 0. I said, and so I counted by 87. But what if, instead of starting at 0, I started at a totally random number? And then I counted by another number. They said, absolutely, that proved that you're not memorizing. All right, so I need some numbers, please. And then all the way to the back, give me a 3-digit number. That's our new starting point, our new 0.
479.
So just do 479 plus, and now hang on a second. What 2-digit number do you want me to count by, starting at 479?
87.
I think we just did 87.
Sorry. 85.
Too easy, 5 at the end.
Oh,
5 at the end, too.
okay. 86.
Okay, so we're doing 479 plus 86, and you get 565. Go ahead. Now I'm going to keep adding 86. I've never done this pattern before. All right, I'm just going to keep adding 6. You should have 651. Is that right? Is that right? 651? Oh, you're supposed to hit equals. Oh, I think you hit the plus sign. Yeah, let's clear it out. Clear it out. All right, so, yeah. Okay, so let's see somebody else, please. Right there, yeah. Pick a 3-digit number.
652.
So 652 plus, now a 2-digit number you want me to count by.
49.
Okay, 49 equals, all you do is hit equals now, all right? So you got 701, and I've never done this pattern before, my brain can just wire it up. The next one's 750, 799, 848, 897, 946, 995, 1044, 1093, 1142, 119, 1240, 1289, 1338, 1387, like that. You see all those? I can still count just as fast, all right? So I'm not memorizing, I'm calculating, all right? So would you give her a big hand for helping me out? What's a 1 plus a 0? 1. Take the total and put it underneath, and then subtract. What's 10 take away 1? 9. Let's try 11. Write it down. Add it up. 1 plus 1? 2. Put it underneath. Subtract. 9. Let's try 12. What's a 1 plus a 2? 3. What's 12 take away 3? 9. How about 13? What's 1 plus 3? 4. 13 minus 4? 9. How about 14? 1 plus 4 is? 14 minus 5 is? 9. This works to infinity. It works for every number higher than 9. But nobody ever noticed that. And so I'm trying to reach every 9-year-old kid on the planet to teach them this. So if you have any kids around 9 in your family or your friend, please make sure you show them this. But watch this. A lot of you have been memorizing your math, so you really haven't been doing calculator exercises. If you don't know how to make numbers add up to 9, just think of numbers like this. Start writing the digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now keep going underneath backwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And look what happened. What's 0 plus 9? 9. 1 plus 8? 9. 2 plus 7? 9. 3 plus 6? 4 plus 5? 9. Those are all your 9 facts. That's every way to make 9. So now you guys can turn on the calculator in your brain. Every number you see, that number will go back to 9. It's a chance for you to exercise your calculator. So think of the number 19. Let's add it up. 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. Put the 10 underneath and subtract. 9. Let's try 20. What's a 2 plus a 0? 2. Put the total underneath, subtract. 20 minus 2 is 18. Look at my answer, 18. What's 1 plus 8? 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Let's try a bigger number. You're in the car with your family and you're going down the road. You see a speed limit sign that says 55. Add it up. What's 5 and 5? 10. What's 55 minus 10? 45. Look at my answer. What's 4 plus 5? 9. Let's go bigger. Let's do 83. What's 8 plus 3? 11. 83 minus 11 is 72. What's 7 plus 2? 9. Every number you see, this will work. Every time you do it, you're exercising your calculator. Every time you do it, your brain is going to get faster and smarter with numbers. So I challenge you, when you guys see numbers out there in the real world, just do this little exercise and you'll turn into a mathlete. Let's try 123. What's 1 plus 2 plus 3? 6. 123 minus 6 is 117. Look at my answer. What's 1, 1, and 7? 9. Let's go bigger. 444. What's 4, 4, and 4? 12. 444 minus 12 gives me 432. What's 4 plus 3 plus 2? 9. 9. Bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4? 10. Take it away. You get 1, 2, 2, 4. Add those up. 9. This will never let you down. Every number does this. If you'll practice this, your brain will start to feel like a calculator. You'll be able to do numbers faster in your head. But now here's the big deal about this thing. Students, what's 1 plus 1? 2. Don't say anything. Teachers only that are in the room. Where are my teachers? Please raise your hand. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Teachers, all the kids in the room think 1 plus 1 is 2. Can any of you please prove to us that 1 plus 1 is 2? How would you prove it to them? Instead of making them memorize it, which we all done, how could you prove to the kids 1 plus 1 is 2?
Yes, just use blocks.
There you go. You got two objects. So you have this object, you put them together, you have two objects. But if you're doing 86 plus 47, that's a lot of blocks. You need to get a lot of friends. So other than physically counting stuff, how else can you prove 1 plus 1 is 2? There's no answer. You could check it on a calculator. You could use an abacus. You could ask your math teacher. But other than that, there's no way to prove that 1 plus 1 is 2. But now you all know the secret to numbers, so watch this. If you want to figure out what 1 plus 1 is, instead of memorizing it, start at the number 11. The number 11 has a 1 and a 1, right? So add it up. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Take it away. What do you get? 9. If you get 9, everything's fine. If you don't get 9, something is wrong. So if you're having a bad day, we're trying to figure out 1 plus 1, so we're going to start at 11. Let's say you're having a bad day, you think 1 plus 1 is 3. Alright, let's plug it in and see what happens. What's 11 minus 3? 8. Is it 9? No. Then something is wrong with that answer. Only the right answer will make you go back to 9. Let's try 12. This teaches you 1 plus 2. You guys know 1 plus 2 is? 3. What's 12 minus 3? 9. So everything's fine. 3 is right. But let's say you think 1 plus 2 is 4. What's 12 minus 4? 8. Not 9. Something's wrong. This is a simple exercise that is an automatic checker for your brain to learn arithmetic, not memorize it. Alright? Everybody cool with that? Teachers, you all understand it? Teachers, students, all the teachers get it. If you guys don't get this, make sure you ask your teacher to explain it to you one more time. Don't be afraid. Just say, I'm sorry I didn't get it for whatever reason. Give me another shot and let them go through it with you. I promise you, you'll get it. Alright, everybody cool with that?